Laura, if the living knew what the dead know, they will all give their life to Christ. If the living knew what 1 minute after you take your last breath, what is going to confront you at the other side of eternity, they will turn to Jesus. But the issue, the devil has put a blindfold on the hearts and the minds of people, so people don't truly recognize that in this world that I'm walking in, I was born in this world to be reconciled to God. That's why I say that if a 2-year-old dies, they've been reconciled, they win. So now a lot of our people are telling us that, yes, the world is evil. Yes, this is wicked, this is demonic. But please don't stop at just acknowledging that it is demonic. The safest place for anybody to be right now is in Christ. Because to die in Christ is gain. You know, the reason why the devil can cage people and harass people is because, why they succeed is because people are afraid to die. But if you realize that to live is Christ, to die is gain, the devil is not trying to take me out before my time, but I'm not afraid to die because I know who I am, I know whose I am. I know I came to this world for a purpose. If I were to leave this world today, I have